Hey guys, there's something a little bit different for you. Going into a butterfly garden today. I think. Yep. Sorry, let me turn my camera. Gorgeous. Oh, it smells so good right here. Smells really good right here. What's happening here? Oh my. Oh, look at the beautiful bumblebee. Bumblebees. Gathering the pollen. that. Oh my goodness. It's the first butterfly I've seen since I've been in here. Oh, there goes another. Oh, that's pretty. I guess this is where they must grow the plants. It's hot outside, ain't it? Pretty warm. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I hope something wonderful is happening to you this weekend. I hope you get blessings, and I hope you get unexpected money this weekend. And I thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I get excited with each new subscriber, and if your subscription is public, then I do check out your channel. And if you have content, I do subscribe back. Tell me what you thought about the little nature walk this morning with the butterfly garden. Isn't that beautiful? I have to go back there. It is an amazing place to be. It smells heavenly, and it's absolutely serene and it's gorgeous. There's so many places like that around here, and I'm going to get to exploring more of those for you. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend or week. Mwah.